Each sunrise brings new challenges and opportunities, as farmers rise early to nurture crops and care for livestock. Through seasons of drought, flood, and plenty, their determination endures, grounded in a profound connection to the soil. The story of American agriculture is one of innovation and tradition, where modern technology meets time-honored wisdom. From bustling rural communities to dinner tables across the country, the dedication of American farmers continues to sustain and inspire us all. Across the rolling plains and fertile valleys, the story of American agriculture is being rewritten. Small family farms, once the backbone of rural communities, now face mounting obstacles, uncertain markets, rising costs, and the ever-present threat of climate change. Yet, amidst these hardships, hope persists. New generations of farmers are pioneering sustainable methods, harnessing technology, and forging connections with consumers. As the old ways yield to innovation, the future of our food rests in resilience, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of those who till the land. Across the United States, climate change is rewriting the rules of agriculture. California's relentless droughts have left reservoirs at record lows, forcing farmers into tough decisions about which crops to save. In the Midwest, heavy rains and floods are stripping away fertile topsoil and contaminating water, threatening future harvests. These unpredictable extremes, coupled with rising temperatures and invasive pests, are pushing many farms to the brink. For growers, every season now brings more risk, uncertainty, and mounting pressure. American agriculture stands at a crossroads, challenged not only by shifting climates but also by the sweeping force of corporate consolidation. Where family farms once thrived on independence and heritage, today, they face mounting pressure from powerful agribusiness giants. These corporations control critical resources, setting prices and shaping markets, leaving small farmers to grapple with shrinking profits and overwhelming odds. As the average farmer ages and fewer young people step in, the very legacy of American farming hangs in the balance. In fields once defined by relentless plowing and chemical inputs, a quiet transformation is underway. Regenerative agriculture is gaining momentum, blending time-honored techniques with innovative science to restore the very foundation of our food systems, the soil. By nurturing soil health, encouraging biodiversity, and working in harmony with nature, farmers are creating landscapes that are more resilient, productive, and sustainable. This movement is about more than just farming. It's about healing the land and securing a healthier future for all. The future of farming is a blend of tradition and technology, where innovation shapes how we grow food for a changing world. Across expansive fields and bustling cities, advanced tools like AI, sensors, and robotics are revolutionizing agriculture, boosting yields while conserving precious resources. In urban centers, vertical farms rise within warehouses and rooftops, producing fresh, pesticide-free crops year-round. This new era of farming brings food closer to communities, reduces our environmental impact, and builds a more resilient, sustainable food system. American farming stands at a crossroads, challenged by climate shifts, market volatility, and the weight of generational change. Yet, amid these trials, a spirit of determination endures. Farmers are blending time-honored traditions with bold innovation, seeking balance between productivity and sustainability. As they adapt, their choices shape not only the fields, but the future of our food. By supporting these efforts, we each play a part in building a resilient, thriving agricultural landscape for tomorrow.